There are many different ways to grow your business and increase your revenue. If you aren't doing everything you can to make the most out of your business, then you're likely leaving cash on the table. Let's take a look at 10 great ways that will help you enhance your business and increase your profit in 2021. The first way to optimize your organization and increase your profit in 2021 is to prioritize when and what you work on. This can be done in a lot of different ways. Decide what is the top priority for your business, what is important for you to do to promote your website, your products, or services. One issue that a lot of my clients encounter is checking their stats or email far more often than necessary, which takes them away from the revenue-generating tasks that need to be completed. The tasks you should prioritize can be creating your sales pages, getting on interviews, doing live videos, and getting on one-on-one discovery calls. It's easy to put off all these important tasks since they might be scary, but rather than doing them later, get them done now. Set aside goals. Understand what are the tasks that you should prioritize to help you achieve your goals. Then focus on completing these tasks first. The second way is advertising and marketing. How would someone know about your business if you don't talk about it or even scream from the top of the roof? There is paid advertisement and organic marketing. There are ways to help increase exposure and maximize your profit. You can consider using pay-per-click advertising, sponsored posts, offline advertising, and influencer marketing. These are great ways to get your content in front of more eyeballs and potential customers. If you don't have the budget, you can also consider focusing your time and resources in these areas to help you with your organic reach, like search engine optimization, link building, guest blogging, social media, video marketing, and email advertising. There are a lot of different ways to advertise and market your products and services, but don't get overwhelmed. Focus on one thing at a time to grow your business. Once you start seeing results from certain advertisements and marketing efforts, you'll be able to focus on those strategies and boost your profits. The third way is outsourcing. Every successful entrepreneur has to let go of their business a little and outsource. It's difficult at first because you have been working so closely and managing every single step of your business growth. But you can't grow unless you outsource and delegate the tasks. Understand what you don't particularly like or great at doing in your business and outsource to people that can take these tasks away from you. Outsourcing can also help you run ideas and have someone you can rely on instead of feeling all alone as an entrepreneur. If you love every aspect of your work, you can still outsource it. If you're writing one article a day, then outsourcing could double the number and help you produce more original content. If you're not sure where to find people to help you, you can start with looking for freelancers or virtual assistants on onlinejobs.ph, Fiverr, Freelancer, or Upwork. I'll link all of these resources in the comment section down below. The fourth way to grow your business is through video marketing. If you have not gotten involved in video marketing or advertising, this is seriously the time to do it. Most social media channels have video aspects and even favorite video posts. People also tend to be more attracted to videos than photos. If you're not familiar or you're not comfortable with videos, you can outsource to other people. There are also many apps and softwares out there that are incredibly easy to use, and you can start with those platforms. YouTube is owned by Google, and your videos can get indexed by Google quickly, and embedding your videos on your website can increase the retention rate on your page, helping your SEO. Make sure to always put the keyword phrases that you're targeting in the title of your video, no matter what platform you're using or sharing on. This can help search engines like Google quickly understand what your video is all about. If you're uncomfortable with showing your face in front of the camera, try showing up on Instagram stories first. Since they only last 24 hours, you don't have to worry about perfecting your videos. If you would rather do a voiceover, this is also totally fine. You can easily do that while showing your computer screen or slides. One of the amazing tools that you can use include Lumen 5, which can help you create impactful and engaging videos from your existing content. It can help you repurpose your content and increase your social media engagement and save time in the process. There's also Subtitle, which helps to turn your videos into social media posts within minutes by resizing your videos, adding video captions, top border headlines, and progress bars. You can use Camtasia, an all-in-one screen recorder and video editor that's used by many entrepreneurs and business owners to make video tutorials, how-to videos, YouTube videos, and a lot more. The fifth way to grow your business is to take your business offline. Nowadays, everyone is so focused on marketing online that many people forget about offline connections. One of the best ways to grow your business online is by taking it offline. There are different ways you can market your online services offline. You should always have your business cards with your website address and also your business information. It's easy to quickly leave an impression this way. Besides directly giving your business cards to potential customers, you can also put them in physical stores and locations to reach out to people that might be interested in your products or services. This can help you generate a lot of traffic that you might have never obtained. For example, if you're a fitness coach, you can leave your business cards at your local gym, and people that are looking for a fitness coach might be able to find your services this way. Similarly, you can print out flyers, magnets, and other small gifts and merchandise to pass out in areas where your target audience might hang out in. Make sure not to bombard people with your advertisements, and make sure to ask before. The sixth way is to add an income stream. There is more than likely a particular area that you have not gotten involved in might be able to add another income stream for you. Why not consider adding another income stream? Of course, if this is the beginning of your entrepreneurial journey and you want to focus on certain areas right now, you can come back to this later on. However, adding another income stream can be easy. You can simply add affiliate links in your pages or involve sponsors in your posts. You can also look into what display ad networks you're qualified to enter if you're not part of any already. If you're interested and have a collection of blog posts, you can promote your written articles and submit them to different paid article directory. You can also do guest posting by repurposing your content. It can add a brand new income stream that would potentially generate long-term earnings. The seventh way is to explore different possibilities. Put yourself out there and in front of different audiences. You can look for customers and clients through different job boards and list your business on different platforms like LinkedIn and AngelList. You can also come across other companies to potentially have joint ventures, invest in different businesses, and find brand new opportunities. Exploring different possibilities and prospecting can land you one extra offer this year, or it can land you 1,000 extra opportunities. Exactly how would that look like for you for increasing your profits? Even if you don't end up generating more sales, it's a great way to see what others are offering and see what kind of opportunities there are for you. The eighth way to increase your profit is the double effect. The double effect can be applied to different situations. For example, let's talk about it on a smaller range for a moment. If you're creating blog posts to promote your website and it's working well for you, what could you do to double that success? Simple. Contract out the content creation process. So if you create 5 blog posts a week, contract out 5 blog posts, then you have 10. This can help increase your profit as well as your website traffic. I know I'm talking about the double effect, but even if they don't double in size, what happens if it's enhanced by 150%? That would mean more revenue for you at the end of the day. What else can you do in your online business world that could increase your profit? Can you release 2 videos instead of 1? Can you market to 2 specific niche instead of 1? Can you charge double for one of your services or products instead of potentially marketing your products short for what it could be? Can you possibly carry out 2 launches instead of 1 this year? Could you potentially double or increase your PPC advertising? Any one of these ways can help you grow your online business and increase your profit. The 9th way is to enjoy the moments. Do you ever feel stuck? Are you sitting in front of your computer and waiting for ideas to come? Being an online entrepreneur involves working hard by yourself a lot of the time, but balancing your life and work is very important. A lot of entrepreneurs spend months on end working in front of the computer and ignoring their social lives. Yes, you might be able to produce a lot of great content, but is that really healthy? How do you live if you don't have a life besides work anymore? Go and enjoy hanging out with your friends, spending time with your family, investing time in your hobbies. Don't forget to take vacations and holidays to help you get out of your own head and create some new memories. Sometimes all you need is a new experience to help you trigger those brilliant ideas, making it a great way to grow your business online. The 10th way to grow your business is to discover new skills and keep learning. The internet is always changing, and to keep up to date, it's important to discover new skills and keep getting educated. By discovering brand new skills, you can not only use your skills in your business, but also educate your audience, your clients, and your students. Even if you're already an expert in a certain area, it's always good to see what else you can improve on and to keep up to date with the ever-changing technologies. Here are some online skills that you can learn to help you grow your business. Website design, article creating, graphic design, SEO, time management. Sometimes we can feel demotivated and just want to Netflix and relax. Start by committing to a small amount of education a week, then slowly build up the amount. If you're interested, check out the book Atomic Habits, a great book by James Clear discussing the power of building habits through small actions. I'll put the link in the description box down below. Use platforms like Blinkist to start learning from top-notch books and Skillshare to start mastering different skills today. If you want to find more resources, I'll leave them in the description box down below. It's clear that we can all grow our businesses and increase our revenue one way or another. Deciding what is important to you and identify the things that can fast track your success and help you get to your goals. Growing your business and generating income can be difficult, and it's a long process. Always be open to new ideas and opportunities to help you get to the next level of success. You can check out our Facebook group to find other entrepreneurs to connect with. Let me know in the comment section down below what is your favorite way to grow your business. You can check out these videos right over here to find out more about how to grow your online business. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.